Okay, so now we are going to start talking about how to write our own type of procedural writing. We know that that's the same thing as our how to writing. You are simply telling your audience how to do something. So, I am going to ask you today to start brainstorming ideas of something you're really good at that you can teach me and somebody else how to do. Things to keep in mind for procedural writing is you have to have your title or your goal in mind. So, an example of this would be how to blow a bubble with bubble gum. That's the goal, and that is what I am teaching you to do. For procedural writing, you also have to have your signal words. You need to have first, next, last. You could use words like second, then, finally. You are going to have a material list. If I am teaching you how to blow a bubble with gum, what do you think some of the materials are that we would need? Well, we would need gum. You would need your mouth. You're going to have to list everything you would need so your audience will know what they have to gather when they attempt to follow your steps and do your how to. Other things that are part of procedural writing are numbered lists, similar to the list that I have given you for our procedural writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That shows the steps. We aren't going to do a lot with numbered lists because I really want you to focus on using your signal words. And then you also are going to have your conclusion. The conclusion summarizes what your how to was about, and it encourages the reader or the audience to self check, which means to practice and see if it was a success. Now, after you have gone over these steps, I want you to brainstorm 3 to 5 things that you are good at and that you want to teach someone else. So you can do something similar to what I've done. I wrote in the middle, what are things I do well? And so I wrote, make bed, feed my pets, snap fingers, blow bubbles with gum, and make a PB&J sandwich. So after you come up with 3 to 5 things, I want you to think about what you will have the easiest time describing in detail for your procedural writing. I am going to choose blow bubbles with bubble gum. And then not tomorrow, but on Thursday, we will start writing our draft for our procedural text. Let me know if you have any questions.